Let's take a closer look at this Lutron switch that I've installed in our pantry. It basically has a on and off switch, but interior to the technology here is this sensor that is a motion detector that when you come into this room, it will come on, and then you can program it to stay on as long as you like while you're doing whatever activity you need to do. It has some very straightforward installation instructions that you can do, or if you have someone that can help you with this. But we're going to also demonstrate when we walk in and out of the room to show how the sensor works. Okay, we're going to demonstrate the very simple use of this motion detector light. We have it set for 1 minute, and it will stay on for 1 minute while we do whatever activity we need in our pantry. You can use this in any room in the house. It's very handy. I highly recommend it. It's extremely durable.